Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the heart of beauty products to give you an honest, no-nonsense review. Today, we're looking at a product that's been catching a lot of attention: the NYX Professional Makeup Lip Lingerie XXL Matte Liquid Lipstick in Undress'd. If you're someone who loves a full-bodied, long-lasting lip look, this might just be the lipstick for you. Let's take a closer look at whether it lives up to the hype. The NYX Lip Lingerie XXL Matte Liquid Lipstick promises a lot. This particular shade, Undress'd, is a soft pink nude that aims to contour your lips, leaving you with a fuller look that's both matte and comfortable. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and boasts a wear time of up to 16 hours. Yes, you read that right. No cracks, no fading, no transfer. It sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? I've had the chance to test this product, and let me start by saying, the claims about the long wear are absolutely spot on. I applied the lipstick in the morning, and after a full day of meetings, coffee breaks, and a little bit of lunch, it stayed in place like I had just applied it. No reapplication needed, which for a liquid lipstick is quite impressive. The texture of this lipstick is surprisingly lightweight, considering its bold claims. I was expecting something that might feel heavy or dry, but I was pleasantly surprised. It goes on smooth and doesn't settle into lines, which is key for matte formulas that can sometimes be unforgiving. The finish is soft and matte without being too dry. It doesn't have that uncomfortable tightness that some other long wear formulas can give you. Now let's talk about how it feels on the lips. One of the standout features here is just how comfortable it is. You might think matte would be drying, but this doesn't suck the life out of your lips. In fact, I found it pretty nourishing for a matte formula. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything at all. That being said, I did experience a small issue with the color in certain lighting. While Undress'd is a lovely nude, on my lips, it's a bit lighter than I expected, and in natural light, it can give me a slightly washed out look. That's a personal preference thing, and it's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for a shade that packs a little more punch. Let's break it down. Pros: long-lasting. Truly no budge, no crack, no transfer for up to 16 hours. Comfortable wear. It's surprisingly lightweight and doesn't dry out your lips. Matte finish. A soft, velvety matte that doesn't feel tight or uncomfortable. Vegan and cruelty-free. A brand commitment that is always appreciated. Cons: shade variability. The color, while beautiful, may not be for everyone, especially if you have deeper skin tones or if you prefer a more saturated nude. Dry patches. Though it's comfortable for a matte, I did notice it can highlight dry patches on my lips if I don't prep properly beforehand. Value for money. For the price point, I think it's a solid buy. NYX products have always been known for offering great quality at a more affordable price, and this is no exception. Given how well it performs in terms of longevity and comfort, it's definitely worth the investment if you're in the market for a reliable, long-wearing liquid lipstick. Comparisons. In terms of similar products, it holds up well against high-end options like the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipsticks or Fenty Beauty's Stunna Lip Paints. It doesn't have the exact same luxurious feel, but the quality-to-price ratio here is a big win. If you're looking for something that performs at a professional level but won't break the bank, this one is a great choice. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. It's a simple, transparent tube with a comfortable applicator that allows for precise application, which is essential for a product that promises a precise contouring effect on the lips. Final thoughts. I'd recommend the NYX Lip Lingerie XXL Matte Liquid Lipstick for those who need a reliable, long-wear lipstick that's comfortable and won't budge throughout the day. If you're someone who doesn't mind a lighter nude, this shade could be a great everyday go-to. However, if you have deeper skin tones or prefer a more vibrant nude, you might want to explore other shades in the range. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.